Hello, friends. Every day, do something that will inch you closer to be a better tomorrow. Friends, welcome back. Today, I came up before you with an amazing platform that has established itself within last 4 years. The company was started via offline platform from 28th April 2017. Not only this, the company has reached the online market within 2 years. In 2019, the company have came into online market too. And now, on 25th October 2021, the company have entered into the trading platform too, as well as they have incubated e-commerce platform too. The company was started as a real estate marketplace, and now it is growing commendably. Friends, I'm talking about Grow Capital. Grow Capital is the method of investing in mutual funds where every investment in Grow Capital plan for the additional unit and gives you the benefit. You can also visit the official website which is www.growcapital.biz. The company offers you three types of investment plans. First, top up grow capital. Second, feasible growth capital. And the third one is perpetual grow capital. If we move forward and talk about the details of every plan, so the first plan is top up grow capital plan. Here, it allows you to increase your investment amount periodically and gives you the feasible investment in high returns. If we talk about the feasible growth capital plan, as the name suggests, grow capital, it is very feasible by nature. An investor here can increase or decrease the amount as per his convenience, and the cash flow here is very smooth. If we talk about the perpetual growth capital, this is an IGCS plan which allows you to carry on the investment without an end to mandate date. If we talk about the benefits of investing, it helps you to make you the disciplined investor. It shows you the best investment options and helps your money to be invested on the right place so that you can earn a huge profit. The rupees cost averaging factor. The advantage of rupees cost averaging is since you all invest the amount is constant for a long time, the fixed amount you invest here, it gives you the high return from the market. You can invest your money in several different sectors. For example, mutual funds, national pension scheme, public provident fund, real estate, stock market, gold and digital gold, cryptocurrency, startup partnership gaming, development and exchange, and money, of course. So, let's talk about what is cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a virtual currency that is secure and 100% transparent. Grow Capital have already taken all the legal documents you can see on this screen. The company's PAN card, the income tax, and the certificate of incorporation are mentioned on this screen. If we talk about the bank details too, this company have shared their bank details with you guys. The company has a clear mission and vision. You can easily join here. You can register, join, and earn. The type of income company provides you is trading income, real estate income, e-commerce income, finance income, direct income, level income, real estate royalty income. If we talk about the trading income, you will get 35% first month, and after that you get 30% every month permanently without your principal amount withdrawal. There are few different packages company offer you which starts from 1000 rupees, 20 rupees till 5 days, and for next days they give you 1% till lifetime. Monthly profit you earn here is 350 rupees, and within 11 months you get the profit of 3300 rupees. Here, the total income within 11 months you earn is 16 lakh 50,000 rupees. If we talk about the real estate income, here company offer you four different packages. First is of 1 lakh rupees, which gives you monthly 20% and till 12 months, which gives you total income of 2 lakh 40,000 rupees. The highest income you earn here is 24 lakh rupees. If we talk about the e-commerce income, it have five different packages. which starts from 50,000 and goes till 7,50,000. Here you get the daily ROI income starting from 500 rupees and goes till 7,500 rupees. Total number of days you earn here is 200 days, and the total income you earn here is from 1 lakh rupees to 15 lakh rupees. In this sector, you can take 1% auto withdrawal to your bank daily. Moving forward to the finance income, here also you have different packages designed for you guys. First package starts from 1 lakh rupees and the last package goes till 7,50,000 rupees. The time period is different from different packages. Meanwhile, the total income is also very exciting. You can have a look on the screen. So, the things do not end here. The direct income you earn here is 5% every month of the fixed income. Guys, if we talk about real estate royalty income, in the real estate sector, you get 0.5% will be taken from every ID as a birthday income who are joined already in the real estate. Let's talk about the level income. The level income you get from first level to 10th level. From first level you get 5%, from second level to fourth level you get 2%, from fifth level to 10th level you get 1%. Friends, this is the best income plan you can ever have. So, invest wisely and choose the best for yourself. Let's talk about the terms and conditions of the company. The membership company gives you for free. All income starts after 24 hours. Working income is minimum 500 rupees and will be multiplied every day in the evening from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. The withdrawal can be made by you. You can get the ROI income directly to your bank on every 1st and 15th of date. As long as your amount of direct in your downline remains in the system, you will continue to get 5% of monthly fixed income. ROI and withdrawal will be closed on Sunday and government holidays. You can apply only 5 IDs from one email and one phone number and KYC. After 150 days, you can deposit your principal amount and you can get that in your bank account. The admin charges will be 10% on all the incomes. So thank you guys. You can get the WhatsApp link in the description box. Stay tuned, stay happy, keep earning.